Good morning. Whose bright idea was it to end a contest at 6 a.m. Eastern time?
We will do things differently next time.
We learned a lot. So
These giveaways are complicated.
yeah.
And we found out in doing this that not only does there rules in the U.S. for giveaways on YouTube or any social media, I guess, there's rules for each individual state. And so we found a boilerplate rules that kind of covers the U.S. and all the states, excluding, I think, Puerto Rico and I don't know.
Yeah.
But it excludes Canada and all other countries because we don't know how to do those yet. In fact, Canada, what was the rule in Canada?
You cannot have a random winner picked like the way we're going to be doing it. A Canadian winner has to be chosen by skill. There has to be a certain skill displayed in order to pick a winner.
Yeah,
and
plus,
each province is different.
Yeah.
Quebec has even more rules. So
that really stinks for everyone else that wants to, you know,
I know.
win a spoon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some spoons carved up and we're going to put them on our website for sale. They won't be expensive. That way, whoever really wants them, wherever you are, can buy a spoon. I'm just blown away. But I mean, that's probably the most, well, it is by far the most comments we've ever received on a video. I'm honored that so many of you would want one of my carved spoons. So thank you. I appreciate that.
They're cool.
But it's only going to stay a hobby. I used to make knives years ago, and I really enjoyed making knives. And I would just make one, either give it away or, you know, sell it to someone that really liked that particular knife. And then it got to be where people were ordering, oh, I want this kind of knife. Can you do this style of knife? And then after a while, it got to be too much, and I stopped enjoying making knives, and I haven't made knives for a long time. So I'm not gonna let this happen. I'm gonna carve the spoons I want when I want, and if I have some, but I really like it, really enjoying it, and I can't just fill the van full of spoons, and I can't give the boys spoons every year for Christmas and birthdays.
Well, you could.
So we'll put some on the website, and also on our website we're going to be putting up stickers because so many people want stickers too.
Yeah, we'll throw those up there.
And
make it easy.
Irene's starting to get a bunch of earrings. She could put those on there.
Maybe.
Or start putting them on the dog or something. Pistol earrings.
I need to make dog tags. Oh. Okay, let's pick a winner. We've delayed this long enough. People are tuning in to find out who the winner is. Come on. Okay, give me a second. I have to import the URL. YouTube random comment picker. It's commentpicker.com. Okay, so I gotta import the URL. Just give me a second here. Start raffle and pick a random winner. Start. Jody's Journey. Woohoo!
What was her comment?
Pick me a random comment selector.
I do love coffee spoons. Pick me a random comment selector. So I wonder if that helped. She was talking to the random comment selector.
Okay, so Jody's Journey, what you need to do is email us at carryonvagabond@gmail.com. We'll also find your comment in the comment section below the video and reply to that as well. And hopefully you see this video.
Good job on the pick me a random comment selector.
Jody's Journey. So we'll get this wrapped up. Once we get your address, we'll find a post office and send it out your way.
Oh, we gotta show the spoon.
Oh, yeah. We're just not really organized. It is way too early for this kind of nonsense this morning. There it is. Headed to you, Jody. To take on your journey. She's a beaut. Double blessed. All right. Thank you guys so much. This was a lot of fun.
We'll do some more for sure, but it'll be a lot easier just to put it on the website.
Yeah.
Have fun carving it, Jody's Journey, and I hope you enjoy it. And for the next time, and
stuff and things. It's way too early and we have not had coffee yet. All right. Carry on.
Carry on, everyone. You can make me look better than that.
I'm leaving that in there.
Shut up.